Testing 1 2, 1 2, 1 2. Well, today what I want to do is I want to take a good look at myself. See how I'm looking now, which I already know. Pretty bad, huh? Face all over, hair all over. That's good though, because you know what? Today I'm on a special journey. And that journey gonna be to want to change my whole way of eating. Because I want everyone to know that the eating out here is killing us. We know it. And most of us say, well, seem like they got poison and everything. What the hell, you gonna die anyway, so I'm gonna do what I can do until then. But you don't have to die. When they want you to die, fucking slow death, and then start cutting on you and filling you up with all these hundreds of pills. So I'm gonna just change the way I think about my eating habit. And some people say we want to not eat to live, but not live to eat, but eat to live. Yeah, eat to live. But anyway, I decided that I'm going to go on a diet. Not so much of a diet, but a special type of a diet. Really, it's not a diet, it's going to be a life change. But first 60 days, it's going to be a diet that I'm going to do by myself. And all I'm going to do for 60 days is going to just juice. So I do just juice. I mean, I've tried it before, but you just didn't have the money really to buy those fruits and vegetables because them vegetables and fruits are high, very high. So I'm pretty sure we all know. But so I got a little creative, kind of mix, found some organic juice with some great ingredients in it, and just found some fruits and vegetables I like and that I read about. And about me a blender and juicer. Got to experiment with them. And I think I've been doing pretty good. Getting to make my own juices. For what I like. Cause I don't just don't eat anything. So yeah, I'm on this journey, man, this mission, man, right? And because I've been overweight for a long time. You know, eating like everybody else, man. Quick meal, man. It's too good to be. Looks too good, then, man. It's like probably not good for you at all. So I allow my people that been on pills and dying of all these fucked up diseases, man. Making me sick just thinking about it. We all got our people, man, but I didn't know that it's really we're killing ourselves. They giving us the tools, but we don't have to use it. All we have to do basically is educate ourselves, man. Wake ourselves up and let other people see the results. Yeah. I'm not sure about this camera thing, man. I'm always filming people, but taking photos, but and always can talk to me in the taking pictures. Smile, you're beautiful, you're great. Ooh, yeah. And I ain't never want to be in front of the damn camera. Yeah, I am now in front of the camera. So I just feel that there's opportunity for me maybe to talk to some people that going through some things that I've been going through for quite a while now. You know, eating is what we do. We love to eat. Everything we can't really go anywhere without finding something good to eat. That's the problem. We ain't finding nothing good to eat. We just eating what they say is good. But I'm finna change all that. hmm I mean, we're basically killing ourselves. That's all it is. So, that's a form of suicide because basically we know what's good for us and what's not good for us and what we should be doing. And what we should be doing, and what we should be doing. So it's another form of suicide. That's for real. Suicide, you're killing yourself, but you're just killing it with food. I mean, cakes and cookies. So I'm going to start this 60 days fast. Just eating, just drinking juices. I'm gonna make my own juices, So, and I just wanted to be an example for my people, man. I hear that's overweight, man. And I'm not as big as a lot of people, but still, man, my stomach is crazy. I ain't looking at some shit. I know who else would have felt like looking at it. So I'm gonna decide that I'm gonna try to make myself. I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna do it because I know for a fact it's gonna work. I tried everything and investigated everything. Confidence in this one though, because I have tried it before. Like I said, the only reason I didn't really succeed that time because the fruits and vegetables high as hell. Crazy, man. Shit. But you get wise about the shit. I mean, always trying to stop motherfuckers from doing the right thing. But I've seen a lot of people fall from diabetes and heart attacks and strokes and cancer. And there's a cure for that shit, man. All you have to do is eat right. It's a cure. Give a damn what it is. You got whatever you got, man. Fucking juice. Should be gone, goddamn it. You juice for fucking 2 months, whatever the fuck you got, you're gonna be fucking cured. I'm not a doctor, so it's just my personal opinion. Because I've seen all kind of miracles. Just on YouTube, you can watch them if you want to see them too. They're there. All the answers are there. It's no secret. The Almighty blesses us with this information. It's up to us to investigate. We're too fucking busy to investigate your own ass. Okay, well then, so don't say nothing about you up in the fucking hospital with tubes out of your ass, Cause you too damn busy, man. To take care of yourself, man. They say they love you, man. They really love you, man. They be trying to tell you what I'm trying to tell you. I love you. Man, I want to show you how much I love you. Because I'm going to do this juicing thing now. A lot of people know how I am, how big I am, and everything. So I'm just go ahead and let it be known that see me now, see me later. And I'll do a part two. So just stay tuned, man. You're going to lose this goddamn weight. I don't give a fuck who you is.